In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns to reports in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever opened a report and thought, I wish I could see a bit more detail right here, adding columns is exactly what you need. Columns let you bring more fields into view, things like customer, product or service, class, location, or memo, so you can analyze your data without exporting to a spreadsheet. Start by opening the report you want to work with. Head to the Reports menu on the left sidebar and search or browse for the report you need, maybe a profit and loss, a sales by product, service, or a transaction detail report. Open it so you're looking at the standard layout first. It's helpful to confirm your date range and basic filters now so the columns you add show the right slice of data. Next, look for the Customize button, usually at the top right of the report. Click that to open the customization panel. This is your control center for how the report looks and what it includes. Within the customization panel, find the section labeled Columns. You'll see a list of available fields, each with a checkbox. Turn on the columns you want by checking their boxes. As you make selections, think about what question you're trying to answer. For example, enable customer to see who you sold to, product or service to see what you sold, or class and location if you use those for tracking. If you're using QuickBooks Online Advanced, you may see a More Columns tab, which gives you a broader set of choices. Not every report supports every column, so some options may not be available depending on the report type. If a column you expect isn't there, it may be tied to features you haven't turned on in settings, or it may not be compatible with that report. When you're ready to see your changes, click Run Report. This refreshes the report with your selected columns. If it looks crowded, consider removing a column or widening your browser window. Sometimes fewer, more focused columns make patterns easier to spot. If you want to reuse this setup, click Save Customization. Give your custom report a clear name, and if you organize reports by group, add it to a group so it's easy to find later. You'll be able to access it anytime under the Custom Reports tab in the Reports menu, without redoing these choices. That's it. Open the report, customize it, choose the columns you need, run the report, and save the layout for next time. With a couple of clicks, your reports become much more informative and tailored to the way you work.